Hello, this is Kristen with the Fifth Sparrow No More, and I am so glad that you're here today with me to thrift an antique shop in North Carolina. Just recently, I traveled to Selma, North Carolina, Raleigh, North Carolina, to meet with my friends Meredith and Becky. And it was an amazing time. There's just something about getting together with like-minded creatives to thrift shop, antique shop with, bounce ideas off of, and love on. Now, Meredith, Becky, Charity, and I have been blogging together on a blog link party called Whimsy Wednesday since October of 2022. Now, Charity wasn't available to go with us on this trip, but Meredith, Becky, and I had an amazing time. We stayed at Meredith's home in Clayton, North Carolina, and she went all out on the hospitality. And her home is beautiful, and we thoroughly enjoyed our stay. Thank you to her and her husband for hosting us. But like I said, we went to Selma, North Carolina, and wandered through the antique stores there. It was a very adorable little town, and I love a cute little town full of shops and old buildings and going through the junk for sure. And like I said before, it is just so refreshing to go on a thrifting antiquing trip with like-minded creative people because you really can bounce ideas off of each other.
I know. And you're like, what
But
can be up
the
there?
Selma, North Carolina area was full of little shops and great antiques. I'll let you listen to some music and thrift an antique shop with us.
And that's for house. Yeah, we put that we can live in it. So you want it for antiques. Like I said, I got three barns. I'm gonna build me one over here next to my collection. That way, I'm trying to sell it. Let's see.
Oh, no, absolutely not. No, yeah, no.
We're making this happen. Are we ready?
Absolutely.
Kristen, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Thrill of the hunt.
Walking in the gates. I'm ready. The thrill of the hunt. Yeah, let's just not. Yeah, if it has clothes, like, unless it's boutique-y clothes.
Yeah, I'm gonna look for black velvet.
Yes, for your bugs.
Isn't that fun?
Oh, look at these. This is really cool. Like, it really is like a flea market.
I was just saying, do you ever seen Flea Market Flip?
Yes.
We were just talking about it.
Oh, yeah.
I love that. Yeah.
To have a map.
Like, we will have it sectioned specifically.
Okay. Meredith is going to take over the flea market and get
I
it
know.
organized.
We need
Okay.
We need some organization.
Good
This is
plan.
where the furniture is. This is where the plants are. This is where the clothes
I like
are.
that. I'll help. Happy? Buy a book. Bored? Buy a book. Sad? Buy a book. You get it.
Would be. So what do you want to get both?
I don't think.
Which is there anyone you're interested in more?
All right, ladies. Let's show the stuff. Woo! Success.
So I'm just gonna be like, these are my friends, putting everything in the car while I stand here with the camera.
Yes, exactly. And this is what happens when you get people off.
Have at it.
And I can put the burning pads that were supposed to be these guys.
Like with your car?
Well, I use them like car for, well, I don't really